Alright guys, so we're on our way to the shop right now. Finally got a little bit of time in to go this weekend. And we're going to do some reinforcement, possibly a few other things, and obviously testing out a little bit. God, I can't wait until this thing's done. I really can't wait to trail ride it this spring and summer. But anyway, we'll see you guys at the shop. So, we will catch you guys here in a little while, and enjoy. There you go, same it again.
Seven slot in the grill. It's a 7-slot nation.
That's true, then, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, like.
That's why there was a Chinese company that started making, I don't know what they call them, but they're really similar to a Jeep. They actually got sued because they use a 7-slot design.
That's what makes it different. Who gives a shit? There's 7 or 6.
Seriously? finally got Dad to try out the Kart a little bit, and he loved it, which is awesome. We got a few more things to tie up on it, and then a coat of paint, and might end up going, we're gonna go with bigger shocks in the front. I don't know how long it'll be until that happens. I'm gonna go with the same ones I had in the rear, and they're 450-pound compression a piece. So we're gonna do that, widen the shocks out on the control arms, brace the control arms, and then I think just clean everything up, and then the coat of paint will be good to go. But anyway, hope you guys liked what you saw today. I know it wasn't very much, but it's all the time I had to work with. And like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.